Severe aortic stenosis is a heart condition that happens when the aortic valve doesn't open properly. Well, patients used to have to undergo invasive open heart surgery. Now, though, there's an easier option and it's available to more patients.
Very uncomfortable days.
Ben Lee has been dealing with heart trouble for a long time. Recently, his aortic valve stopped working properly.
I couldn't be as active as I would like to be and as I was all my life.
The traditional fix was open heart valve replacement, but Dr. J. Kevin Harrison told Ben about a new option called corevalve.
Clearly, this is much easier on the body.
Surgeons guide a catheter from the groin to the heart. The corevalve is placed over the patient's own disease valve. It takes over and ensures that blood flows out of the heart. Doctors hoped the procedure would be just as effective as standard surgery, but they learned it was better.
The corevalve patients actually had better outcomes at 1 year than open surgery. So that was sort of shocking.
In a New England Journal of Medicine study, the death rate for high-risk patients who had traditional surgery was about 19%. But for those who had the corevalve, it was 14%. The device was only approved for extreme risk patients, but after the results of the clinical trial, the FDA also approved it for those at high risk.
Had it done and it was the greatest thing I ever did in my life. Don't tell my wife I didn't say marriage was the first.
Well, Dr. Harrison says researchers are now looking into using the corevalve in other patient populations, like those who are at lower risk.